distance to the clock tower from the porch outside and the height of the clock tower. So you guys should have gone over parallax in class. Can anybody tell me sort of what it is? Yeah.
It's like the displacement angle viewing an object from the air. Okay.
Yeah, that's important. So there's two different lines of sight that you're looking at an object from, and so parallax is the seeming displacement of that object from the background. So if you want to do like a quick example of this, if you hold up your finger and close one eye and look at something behind your finger, and then you move your head from point 1 to point 2, you see that there's this displacement in the finger's position, and that angular displacement is your parallax. So draw a diagram real quick. So this is your finger right here. This is your eye in position 1, position 2. This is the background. So this angle, this is the parallax. So that's what seems to be changing. And then this is called your baseline. So what we're going to do outside is we're going to look at the clock tower from two different positions, and we're going to measure our baseline. So usually people use the length of the porch as the baseline in whatever units you want. So you can use like literally feet, you can use steps, or you can use strides. Or if you want, you can take a meter stick outside and measure it in meters. Does that make sense? Okay, let's go.
Okay.